Good morning, guys. We are Wednesday, March 6, 2019, middle of the week, hump day. So we have another day with SPY closing in the red yesterday. I really tried to make a little bit of a run, trying to fill that monster bloodbath gap they had on Monday, but just couldn't make it up to the green. Still closed red. Was down 38 cents. Pre-market looks like it's trading sideways. We got a little consolidation going on, so we'll see what's going to happen. Most likely, we may see the market trading sideways, but all in all, there's still always plenty of plays in the market. So let's have a look, see what we got going on for our pre-market setups for today. So we're actually going to continue, obviously, looking at ACIA. We have the 50-minute chart on the left, the daily on the right. Obviously had that gap up last week on the 22nd. And it just putting in, obviously, again, lower highs and lower lows. So this might be a continuation. This is definitely on watch for today. We have ALB, another gap up last week. And you've seen that fade come down. It was actually had a channel for the last 2 days. Now it looks like it's still putting in lower highs and lower lows. So obviously there's plenty of room to see what's going to happen to the downside today. And for the rest of the week, for that matter. CAR, again, this is in play we've been doing for the past couple of days. Reached its peak on the 28th, and it's been kind of slowly fading down past couple of days. There's still plenty of room to go, so this is another one of those things, easy, low risk, high reward trade. See what this thing happens to the downside today. CMD, gap down on the 28th, and it's just been fading out hard. It traded sideways all day yesterday, but there's still plenty of room for it to move down to the downside. So this has we have an ATR of almost $3, so there's plenty of room to the downside, still make a couple dollars here. So keep this on watch. Diva, we've been trading for the past couple of days. It's just not looking good for these guys. They've been dumping hard for a few days, and I think it's going to continue for, I see, past couple, maybe 2 or 3 days at the end of the week, possibly next week as well. Still have maybe another $3, $4, $5 to go. HZNP, another one that's been very easy trade. Obviously going in from the peak on the 28th. It's been putting in lower highs and lower lows. A lot of room to go. Trying to fill this gap. It might see to mid 25s. We'll see what happens. We still got another $1.50 for it to move to the downside today. So it's another one on watch. We got IIVI. This is one of those things, one of those stocks that it's sold off pretty hard past couple of days. Obviously, with the market selling off on Monday, continue that sell-off yesterday, and it looks like it anticipates for another maybe $1 roughly to the downside. So we'll see what happens. This is one of those trades you got to really respect to the downside from a VWAP risk perspective. PBYI. This is a stock that obviously we have that backside fade coming down. Showed some strong weakness on the 5th. It got stuffed out with VWAP and looks like it's going to start curling down at least to low 37s, mid 36s. We have UTHR. Is another stock that gapped down. It's been trading very steep down the downside for the past couple of days. Sold off again obviously on Monday with the market. Yesterday just continued, and you're gonna have to maybe see this thing to the downside for another couple of days as well. So it's another low risk, high reward trade. Last but not least is Wayfair. Wayfair has been curling down the past couple of days. Still plenty of room for it to fall. So there's a nice meat on the bone left for this stock for the next couple of days. So we have 10 stocks going into the market on watch. We'll see what happens when the market opens, whether we're going to trade sideways or we're going to start creeping back up to resistance of 281, 282. But stay safe today, trade safe, stick to your stops. Again, guys, if you would like to know where to put on a profitable trade with these charts and others, we invite you to take our 90-day course to begin a consistently profitable trader. To start, simply click the link in the description below. Alright guys, trade safe. Have a good one.